Y'all, my hair feels incredible. Look at that.
Ambunu is a beauty secret among the women of Chad, and this African herbal shampoo boasts a ton of benefits for natural curly hair, a few of them being that Ambunu can gently cleanse the scalp and detangle the hair all at the same time. In today's video, I'm testing it out. If you're new, welcome to Lotus Flower Life. My name is Michelle. Subscribe and hit that bell for more DIY videos.
As you can tell, it is definitely wash day. I have my little Ambunu sample pack. It says that Ambunu contains saponin, which gives its ability to cleanse, and it's an effective antioxidant and emollient. That stuff sounds really good. I honestly just can't wait to try it. So let's go ahead and make this shampoo together.
This is the easiest DIY. All you gotta do is just combine the Ambunu leaves with hot water. I just boiled my water in my electric tea kettle, poured it over. Then we are just gonna cover it, let it completely cool down, and then shake it to distribute the leaves among the water so that it could release some of that mucilage. I mean, you don't have to do that, but that's what I did. You could just let it sit, but I wanted it to be distributed pretty well. I let it sit for a couple of hours because I wanted to give it a chance for the mucilage to get as thick as possible, and the longer you let it sit, the thicker the mucilage is going to become. Next up, I just strained it with my French press like in my flaxseed gel video and transferred it into a bottle. It's as simple as that. For any of you who have any left over, store it in the bottle in the freezer and then defrost it when you're ready.
I have my Ambunu right here. As usual, I'm just gonna split my hair into sections and see how it feels. Now, I'm a little bit skeptical of this having as much slip as people were saying it has because it's super watery. The mucilage that came from it is not very thick. I'm gonna get through the rest of the sections of my hair and then I will get back to you guys. I like how this doesn't really have a particular smell. It kind of smells like just chamomile tea. It doesn't really have much of a smell, but let's detangle to see how quickly this could work. And I'm done. That's incredible. Yo, the slip on this, y'all see that? I thoroughly enjoyed detangling. Literally only took a few minutes for me to do my whole head and it usually takes super long. I also like that you can use this without being in the shower, so that will save water. It kind of reminds me of 𝐾𝐿 powder, but it has a rich, more moisturizing quality, and I feel like 𝐾𝐿 powder is a little bit more astringent, so that would be more of a clarifying type of shampoo. This one is very moisturizing, like I said on the package, and even on my hands it feels so silky and soft. That's what my hair is looking like so far. Did a really good job at defining my curls as well. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my scalp.
At this point, my hair felt really amazing. I felt kind of addicted and I couldn't stop adding more and more and more. I only used about 1/3 of the bottle for my entire length of curls, which is really good for me because I have pretty long hair. And what's crazy about Ambunu is that, like the package says, you can truly detangle and deeply cleanse your hair all at the same time. I have never been able to do that with any other moisturizing shampoo, and co-washes just don't work for my hair. It leaves way too much buildup for me, so that is another plus. mess.
I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually starting to foam up as I comb through it with this brush, which is kind of incredible. That's probably the saponin in action and creating a little bit of lather, but it's very, very light, very subtle, and it just feels really soft, silky, and moisturizing. Now I'm just going to hop in the shower, wash this out, and show you guys how I feel about it, what my scalp is looking like, and how clean it can actually get my hair.
This is what my scalp looked like after washing the Ambunu shampoo out. I think it did a pretty decent job at clearing the little amount of buildup I had on my scalp. My hair feels pretty clean from root to tip, but not stripped of moisture, which is very rare. The only other time my hair feels this clean yet moisturized is when I do an apple cider vinegar rinse, and I love being able to use 1 or 2 ingredients with my DIYs because my curls just thrive off of simplicity. And to be honest, this is one of the best shampoos I've tried in a minute, and I don't know if I'll be able to be without Ambunu shampoo because it just might become a staple for me. For more DIYs, you can watch my homemade hair mask video next. Subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. As always, I'm sending you all the love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you in the next one.